How to add logo in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or create a logo. First of all, open Picsart application. Now here on the top, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Here, search for logo design. So here, there are a lot of logo designs available. You can select any one of these. So I'm selecting this one. Now tap on it again. So you'll be entered in this editing platform now. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, the logo has been appeared. Here the text that is available here, you must delete it. Now delete the available text and here add your own text. Here on the bottom you can see this text icon. Tap on it. So you can enter the logo name or your company's name here, and here on the top tap on this tick button. So you must adjust it, so you can even make designs and customize it. So this is how you make logo. Thank you for watching.